Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize your Windows 11 laptop or PC for game mode. So at first, what you have to do is just click on your Start button, right click on it and go to Device Manager. Expand this section, then just go to Display Adapters. Then just right click on the Display Adapters and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver and it's going to update you to the latest driver. Then just close all this. And after you have done that, just go to search and search for game mode and go to game mode settings and just expand this and make sure this is turned on. And after that has been done, just go to your search again and type settings, open up settings. At the bottom left, you'll see Windows Update, just go to it and make sure to check for updates and download the latest updates from Microsoft. And after you have done that, what you can do is right click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager, expand the section, go to Startup Apps, and make sure to right click and disable all the startup apps that you don't need on your startup. And after you have done that, at the bottom right, you'll find your internet. As you can see, mine is Ethernet connected. If yours is Wi-Fi, always try to use Ethernet. And basically, that is how to optimize your Windows for gaming. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.